Hi everyone! Today we will learn English at the airport. This is a real-life lesson that will help you feel confident at the airport from the moment you enter the terminal until you get on your plane. I'll be showing everything in real time. The signs, the terminals, the boards, passport control and transfers. And I'll explain the English words and phrases you actually see and hear at the airport. So, let's get started. I'm arriving at the airport. I'm arriving at the airport. First, I'm arriving at the airport. This is the terminal. This is the terminal. Terminal is the airport building where passengers wait for flights. Terminal is the airport building where passengers wait for flights. My flight is in Terminal 1. My flight is in Terminal 1. So let's go together. So it's written here, passenger Terminal 1. You are at Terminal 1. So let's go, guys. Entrance. So we are entering the terminal now. And right now we are at the Terminal 1. We just entered the Terminal 1. The first thing I want to do is to find the check-in counters. Check-in counters. Check-in counters. So let's find it. So you can find it right at the entrance. So here you go. Check-in counters. Check-in counters. So here at the check-in counters, you can easily find your flight number, the time. So you see time, then flight number, the destination is going to, and the counter number, and the status. Right now, I'm beside the check-in counters. So we are going to Qingdao, which is in China, and our counter number is N01 to N15. So the counter is where you get your boarding pass. So now I know when I look at this board that I should go to the counter number N01 to N15.
And I'm sitting.
And you're sitting here, yes.
This baby.
Okay,
Where are you going?
I'm going to China.
Let's find the letter N. Let's go. Okay, and Ariane is playing, yes. Ariane, let's go to find the letter N, okay? Luggage or baggage means the bags you travel with. Checked luggage is a big bag. Checked luggage is a big bag. It goes under the plane. Carry-on is a small bag you take with you. This is a carry-on. I have 2 carry-on items, 1 carry-on suitcase, and 1 carry-on backpack. Also, I have an oversized item. An oversized item, and this is a car seat, my child's car seat. Today I don't have a checked-in bag. Today I don't have a checked-in bag. Now I'm going to check in. Now I'm going to check in. Check in means to show your documents and get your boarding pass. Check in means to show your documents and get your boarding pass. Now I'm waiting in the line to check in and to get our boarding passes. The line is very long. There are so many people waiting to check in. And now it's our turn to check in. It's our turn to check in. Hello.
And aircraft safety, please keep your
Today you are going to Qingdao.
Yes, that's correct. We're going to Qingdao. So this is the carry-on.
Want to carry?
Yes, I want to carry this. Carry on. We have only one oversized. So we have this oversized item.
Finish.
Thank you.
Gate number boarding time.
Thank you. Do we need to take it to the oversized luggage, or just can go here? Okay. Thank you. This is my boarding pass. This is my boarding pass. Boarding pass is a paper or digital ticket you need to get on the plane.
This is a boarding.
Wow, that's nice. So you get this to go to the airplane, right?
The boarding pass shows your name, then it shows your flight number, date, of course your seat, and the boarding time. I show my boarding pass at the gate, and now we are heading towards the departures hall. From this point, I'm not allowed to record more videos. That's why I'm going to explain you everything after the security check. I have just completed the security check. I have just completed the security check. Security check is airport control to keep passengers safe. Security check is airport control to keep passengers safe. Security checked my bags. Security checked my bags. After that, I went through passport control. After that, I went through passport control. They checked my passport and asked where I was going. They checked my passport and asked where I was going. I could not record this process for the security purposes. Now I'm going to my gate. I can check my gate number on my boarding pass, or I can check it on the board. Okay, so I'm going to Qingdao. Qingdao, gate number 37. The gate number 37. So on this board, you can see the time, the flight number, the destination, where it's going to, the gate number, and the status. If it's written go to the gate, it's definitely time for you to go to the gate. This is the flight information board. The flight information board. Here you can see your flight number. Here you can see the flight number. You can see the time and the gate. I still have some time before my flight, so let's walk together at the duty-free area and maybe buy something. How many sheets does it have? How many masks?
10 pieces.
10 pieces.
One box, 10 pieces.
So all of these are Korean brand, right?
Yeah, Korean brand.
Yeah. I specifically wanted to buy some Korean brands while traveling. I got some Korean masks and I'm very excited. So it's time to head to the plane.
It's mine.
We arrived to our gate. We arrived to our gate. The boarding has already started. The boarding has already started. So now it's time to board and show our boarding pass.
Miss Lin Shu-on. Miss Lin Shu-on. Bound for Kaohsiung. Please proceed to the gate floor for the boarding queue.
모든 공항제휴회원님들과 다시 만나게 되어 저희들은 대단히 기쁘겠습니다. 동시에 모두의 안전 비행이 중요합니다.
We are on the plane now. We are on the plane now. This is a middle seat. This is a middle seat. I'm sitting on a middle seat. The flight is comfortable. The flight is comfortable. I'm sitting watching a movie and relaxing. I'm sitting watching a movie and relaxing. The flight attendant helps passengers. The flight attendant helps passengers. And my helper is watching a cartoon. Do you like your cartoon?
Yeah.
Is it interesting? What is it about? The flight attendant helps passengers. It's meal time, so we have sandwich with crab meat. We have a sandwich with crab meat. As you arrive, you need to pay attention to the signs. In here you can see written transfer and arrivals. I have just arrived at the airport and I'm walking inside the terminal. Right now, I'm walking along this moving walkway. It's also called a moving path. You can stand on it and let it move forward, or you can walk if you want to go faster. I keep walking straight ahead because all the signs are pointing into one direction, so it's very easy to follow. Now, I see several important signs. I see Terminal 1 and transfer, Terminal 2, transfer, and arrivals. I keep walking and now I arrive at the point where the arrows show different directions. If you're arriving and this is your final destination, you go straight ahead and follow the arrival sign. If you need to go to Terminal 2 or transfer, you go to the left. Here I stop and look at the transfer board. The transfer board shows information about connecting flights. Let me explain each column. Flight. This is the flight number. Destination, to. This shows where the next flight is going. Time. This is the departure time of the next flight. Gate. This tells you which gate you need to go to. Status. This shows what is happening with the flight. For example, it can be written on time. On time means the flight is leaving as scheduled. Delayed. Delayed means the flight is late. Boarding. Boarding means passengers are getting on the plane now. Final call means you must go to the gate immediately. Cancelled means the flight will not operate. Terminal. Terminal shows which terminal the flight departs from. Boarding time shows when boarding starts. If you read on the transfer board that your flight departs from Terminal 2, you should go in this direction. If your terminal is Terminal 1, you should go straight ahead. Just follow the signs. If you're arriving, you should follow the arrival sign. If you have a transfer, make sure to follow Terminal 1 or Terminal 2 and the transfer signs. Do not go to arrivals if you have a connecting flight. If this is your final destination, follow the arrival sign and go to passport control. In my case, because I'm a foreigner, I go to the foreigners line. Here you need to fill in the arrival card. An arrival card is a small form with your personal information, flight details, and address in the country. You usually get this card on the plane or right before passport control. I've completed passport control and now I need to get my baggage, so I follow the baggage claim sign. Baggage claim is the area where you collect your luggage after the flight. Here you can see the baggage claim board. It shows the time, flight number, from which city the flight arrived, and the carousel number. The carousel is the moving belt where your luggage comes out. I keep following the baggage claim signs, go down the escalator, and pick up my son's car seat. You can also collect your large suitcases here. We have arrived at the airport, and now we are going to the exit. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.